Hello everybody and welcome to the OANDA Forex Market Outlook for the 13th of October. My name's Simon Clarke from Trade with Precision, and I'll be discussing a few markets that I'm keeping a close eye on right now. Now, before I take a look at the markets, I just want to tell you about the webinar that we're running throughout the first half of this week. It's risk management, a key component of your trading plan. This webinar here, we take a look at risk and risk management in a much greater detail. So we look at a number of common sources of trading risk, as well as some symptoms that really should make you reevaluate your trading approach. So we look at techniques to help you reduce your risk, avoid risk, and even transfer it once you identify it. So if you'd like to join us on this webinar, then you just need to check your OANDA website, click on Learn, click on Webinars, and then you'll come through to this page where you'll be able to register to join. Okay, so if we come to the markets now, and the first market I want to take a look at today is Australian dollar against the Japanese yen. If we take a look here on the daily chart, we can see that the market's in a nice strong downtrend here. All the moving averages bar the 200 is in the right order. We've certainly got some nice convergence here on the indicators, and the market's sort of retracing back up to this sort of 94 level that I've got marked in here. In fact, if I just zoom out of this, you can start to see this 94 level, how significant this is. If I just come right the way back, so the candles are quite small here, but you can see this is the lower level. You can see that this level has been resistance in the past, and it's also been support many times as well. So it's quite a historical strong level. The market's in a downtrend. It's just broken underneath. It's pulling back up to this sort of level, and what I'm looking for is opportunities to trade this market to the short side. So I'm coming down to lower time frames, coming down here to the likes of the 4-hour chart. We can see that the market's retraced back up to this area now. We got the moving averages all in the right order on the 4-hour, and in fact, another level up here just around the 95 area is another decision point in the market. So we've got around 95, we've got this level that's been previous support in the market. So this again could be resistance if price comes up to this area. So a nice area there, right in between the in the sort of sell zone, as we class the sell zone, this area, looking for opportunities to trade this market to the short side. So looking for potentially trend flow opportunities around here. So if we take a look at the next market, well, if we take a look at Aussie yen, let's take a look at Aussie dollar, and come and take a look at Aussie dollar on the daily chart here. Now, key level on this market that I've spoken about many times here has been 89,000. This 89,000 has just been retested here, so we've had big sell-off, retested 89, and then sold off again. If I just zoom back out of this, you'll see how many times 89 has been tested in the past. It's again another very historical strong level. So if I zoom into this come down to the 4-hour chart, this is the way I'm looking at it. We've got 89 up here. It's market's already found resistance at. It's come back down to its old lows, and we've now tested this lower level 3 times. So this is around the 86.50 area down here that we've retested 3 times now. So we've also got another level through here that's also been prior support and resistance, and you can see here that markets tested this level a couple of times. This is around the 8800. So the way I'm looking at this is here on Aussie dollar, we've got 3 decision points or potential decision points in price. And the way I'm looking at this is now the fact that 86.50 has been found support here. We're coming up to this level again. We potentially might find if we break through this level here, then we'll think we might get a move up to the next level, 89 again. If we find resistance at any of these, and I think we're going to get a retest down here of 86.50. So this is the way that I'm looking to trade, or looking to trade around these levels here on Aussie dollar. So there's a couple of markets that I'm keeping a close eye on this week. I Hope you find it useful, hope it helps, and look forward to speaking to you next time. Bye for now.